Hey guys, I am on my way to go do a wedding. It is 8:48 this morning. I am traveling a whole hour and this is going to be really fun. I figured I record this session so that you guys will get to see the before and afters of this wedding look. So hang around. Squirrel, really? Look at this squirrel. Get away from me. Are you trying to die? Like, this squirrel's trying to die. I am not trying to send you to heaven early. No, not me. Not on my account, honey. Go find another car. Okay. Whew, that stressed me out. We are getting there, I hope. Turn right. It. I am like 2 hours early, but that's fine with me. Right here. I'm okay with being early. I'm gonna go set up, watch a few videos, get some inspiration, get my creative juices flowing.
Look at this face, it's gonna be really pretty.
Michelle, you look beautiful.
Thank you.
Yay, Nikki Nurse!
Like when you go see Kevin, right? Like you get that moment once where you see each other. Oh yeah. And just take it in. Like don't pay attention to anyone around. Just go through it. Like talking. You're like twirling. You're like twirling.
I am done now. Woo! I am exhausted. Look, see? That's a band playing right there. It's a beautiful venue. And I am out of here. I want some wings. I want some hot wings. That's what I want.